we'll learn how to evaluate triple integration. For evaluating triple integration, the most important thing that we need to keep in mind is the inner integral. Now my inner integral depends on x and y. People can have a look. This is x plus log y. That means my inner integral depends on x and y. That means this one is a limit for z. So my inner integral gives me the limit of z. The limit of z is from 0 to x plus log y. Since my inner integral depends on x and y, we have to integrate first with z. So the order here will be first integrate with y. Now people can have a look. My middle integral depends on x. Since my middle integral is depending on x, we need to integrate with y. So the order of integration will become here dz, dy and dx. First we need to integrate with z, then with y and then with x. Why we need to integrate with z? Since my inner integral depends on x and y. Now after integrating with z, we will be left out either to integrate with y first or with x. Since my middle integral depends on x, we need to integrate with y and then with x. Now when I am integrating with z, my integrand over here is e raised to x plus y plus z. Now when I am integrating with z, x plus y of the exponential term will be a constant. So it will become something of the form e raised to a plus z. Now e raised to a plus z ka integration will be e raised to a plus z, applying the upper limit minus a lower limit. After we do the upper limit minus lower limit, we'll get something of this manner. Now here after integration, this z will get replaced with x plus log y. Upper limit will get replaced with x plus log y and the lower limit will get replaced with 0. So after applying the upper limit minus lower limit, we'll get something of this manner. Since my inner integral, now my middle integral, inner integral ka integration has been completed. Now we'll integrate with x. After integrating with z, now we'll integrate with y. When I'm integrating with y, I'll keep in mind that x is a constant. So this can be simplified in this particular manner: e raised to 2x into e raised to y into y minus e raised to x into e raised to y. Integrating with y, e raised to 2x is a constant. Here e raised to x is a constant. Now the constants are removed, constant outside. Y e raised to y. Now these two terms depend on y. These two terms depend on y. So we'll apply the u into v rule. People can check out over here, the u into v rule is applied here. E raised to x will remain as a constant. E raised to y ka integration is e raised to y. Now applying the upper limit minus lower limit. Be careful when you are applying the upper limit minus lower limit. After doing with the integration in this manner, then finally we need to integrate with x. Now x e raised to 3x, here we need to apply, for the first term we need to apply the u into v rule. Then simplification, upper limit minus lower limit. The final answer will turn out till here. In case of any difficulty, you can send your queries on WhatsApp.